Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how I made a phone patch system using a HackRF and an RTL SDR. Okay, so the program that I used is SDRangel. You can see it right here. And this is the most basic thing you can do. It's just an FM modulator and a demodulator. And I used two different bands, the 70 centimeter and 2 meter band. You need to have two radios, one for receiving and one for transmitting. So I will start the receiver part and I will power up one of my radios so that we can check that it's working. Okay, so this is a basic test with a Quansheng. You can see that it appears on the spectrum. Now I will power up my other radio. One moment. And I will deactivate the squelch feature. Now I will start the modulator. So as you can see or hear, right now it's completely silent because it has nothing to modulate. On the demodulator I have a squelch level of -41. For my situation this is perfect. I've tested with many combinations, but this is the best one. When it triggers you will see this button becoming green. So you can see that it's working right. If you right click on that, you can select your audio device. Mine is the system default device, which is in this case the cable input. I have a virtual cable. You can download it online, just Google this between the parentheses. Okay, so this is the demodulator. That goes right here into microSIP, and the settings are that the microphone is the cable output from the radio input. So this is simple. The demodulator feeds into the microphone for microSIP, and the speaker from microSIP feeds into the modulator from the HackRF. You can see that the speaker is voice meter input, and right here the input is the voice meter output. Okay, so this is a rough tutorial, rough explaining, but I think that you got the idea. Right now we are going to place a call and you will hear what I will hear on my radio. So let's see. It has a bit of a delay. So yes, that's the delay. I will get an echo test. Let's see. Where is the echo test? Okay, so this is the number. I will dial 3. You can hear the tone, and then I will manually dial 626-9931. Okay, I believe that it connected. And right now we can go into SDRangel and we can try making a test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, so you can see that my signal is modulated by my Quansheng. It's a small radio. I will put a photo in the video after I edit it of my current setup. The HackRF is bought from Aliexpress, around $100, and the receiver is an RTL SDR from Amazon, I believe. So my setup is really basic. You can't dial any numbers at least for my current situation, because the DTMF tones are not clean. So for example, I will press 1 on the Quansheng and you can hear that it's not very clean. Listen. So you can tell by ear that it's not a clean tone and the program will not recognize it. Now I will end the call and I will make another call to an error message so that you can hear the actual quality.
I'm sorry, we are unable to complete your call as dialed. Please check the number and dial again, or ask your operator for assistance. This is a recording.
And it also works if I transmit anything. You will see right here on the RTL SDR that it will receive. One moment. Testing.
1, 2, 3.
So you can see that it triggered the squelch, and right here the microphone icon, the bar actually got blue. So it means that my voice has been transmitted. This is just a rough experiment of a phone patch that requires a bit of an investment, but is fun to make if you already have the equipment. I also need to mention that all of the settings right here are manually tuned, and they might not be perfect, but for now they work for me. After editing this video, I realized that the quality is not so great, at least for my explanations. But I hope that you understood at least a part of the video, and I will always answer to your comments if needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to ask questions in the comments.